Hello and welcome to this special episode dedicated to health and wellness for our beloved senior citizens. Today, we will talk about a fruit that's not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit elderly health, the mango. Over the next 50 minutes, we will explore how mangoes can support brain health, immunity, digestion, heart, bones, eyes, skin, and overall well-being. So stay with us till the end for some great tips and mango-based recipes that are perfect for seniors. Mango, often called the king of fruits, is widely loved around the world. Originating from South Asia, it comes in many varieties such as Alfonso, Gezer, Dasheri, and Langra. Mangoes are rich in vital nutrients including vitamins A, B6, C, E, and K, as well as potassium, magnesium, copper, and fiber. The fruit also contains antioxidants like mangiferin, which have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. For seniors, this combination makes mangoes a superb natural supplement. Brain health and mental wellness. As we age, cognitive decline becomes a concern. Mangoes contain vitamin B6, which helps produce serotonin and dopamine, chemicals essential for mood regulation. Mangiferin, an antioxidant found in mangoes, may help protect brain cells from damage. Regular consumption may improve memory, mood, and concentration, and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Mangoes are not a cure, but they can certainly be a part of a brain-healthy diet. Heart health. Heart disease is one of the most common health issues among seniors. Mangoes support heart health through their high content of potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and maintain a steady heartbeat. The fiber and antioxidants help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Additionally, vitamin C in mangoes helps protect arteries and reduce inflammation. Immunity and inflammation. As we get older, our immune systems weaken. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which help strengthen the immune response. They also contain mangiferin, which reduces inflammation and may protect against infections, common colds, and chronic diseases. Eating mangoes regularly can give seniors the immune boost they need, especially during flu seasons. Bone and joint health. Mangoes provide vitamin K, which is important for bone health because it helps with calcium absorption. Seniors who are at risk of osteoporosis can benefit from the vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium found in mangoes. In addition, the anti-inflammatory compounds in mangoes may help ease joint pain and arthritis symptoms. Eye health. Good vision is essential for independence and quality of life. Mangoes are high in vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are crucial for eye health. These nutrients can help prevent dryness of eyes, night blindness, and age-related macular degeneration. Eating mangoes regularly may help maintain good vision into old age. Digestion and diabetes. Digestion often becomes slower with age. Mangoes are a great source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. They also contain digestive enzymes like amylase, which help break down carbohydrates. For seniors with diabetes, mangoes can still be consumed in moderation. The glycemic index of mangoes is moderate, so pairing them with proteins or healthy fats can help control blood sugar levels. Skin and anti-aging. Healthy skin is not just about appearance, it's a reflection of internal health. Mangoes contain antioxidants and vitamin E, which nourish the skin and reduce signs of aging. They may also improve skin elasticity and moisture. Mango pulp can even be used as a face mask to hydrate dry skin. For seniors, this natural approach can help them feel youthful and vibrant. How to eat mangoes safely. While mangoes are beneficial, portion control is key. Seniors should consume about half to 1 mango per day. It's best to eat mangoes in the morning or afternoon, not at night. Diabetic seniors should avoid mango juices or canned mangoes with added sugar. Always eat ripe mangoes in moderation and consult a doctor if you're on a restricted diet. Easy mango recipes for seniors. Let's go over 3 easy and healthy mango recipes. Mango yogurt smoothie. Blend fresh mango with unsweetened yogurt, mint, and a pinch of turmeric. Mango mint chutney, a refreshing condiment that aids digestion. Oats and mango breakfast bowl. Mix oats, milk, chia seeds, and mango chunks for a balanced start to the day. Conclusion. In conclusion, mangoes are more than just a tropical delight, they are a powerhouse of nutrients that support nearly every system in the aging body. From brain and heart health to digestion, bones, eyes, and skin, mangoes offer a natural, tasty, and affordable way to stay healthy. But remember, moderation is the key. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy the mango season mindfully.